Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how I make my chipotle steak quesadillas. So if you want to learn how I make them, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin prepping. We're going to begin by marinating our steak. Here I already have my 3 pounds of steak nice and cubed. To that we're going to add 1/4 of a cup of oil, 1/4 of a cup of water, 1/3 of a cup of chipotles in adobo sauce, 1 teaspoon of ancho chili powder, 1.5 teaspoons of ground cumin, garlic salt, black pepper, and 2 teaspoons of coarse salt. Going to sprinkle it all over our steak and mix it all together. Okay, so once we coated our steak, we're going to cover it, place it in our refrigerator, and allow it to marinate for at least 1 hour. Okay, so while we wait, we're going to make our vinaigrette. So to our blender cup, we're going to be adding 1/4 of a cup of water, 1/4 of a cup of red vinegar, 3 tablespoons of chipotle in adobo sauce, 1 garlic clove, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 teaspoon of oregano, black pepper, and salt. Now we're going to blend it all together until we crush our garlic clove. Okay, so once that's blended, we're going to reduce the speed to the lowest. Going to open the top, and slowly we're going to add 1/2 cup of oil. Okay, and just like that, we have our vinaigrette. So now we're going to transfer it to our bowl. So now we're just going to set it to the side until it's time to serve. Okay, so once our meat has marinated for at least 1 hour, now we're ready to begin cooking. To our skillet over medium-high heat, we're going to add a little bit of oil. Once our oil is nice and hot, we're going to add our bell peppers and onion. Going to season it with oregano and salt. Now we're just going to saute them for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, our fajitas are done, so we're going to remove them from the skillet. Okay, now in the same skillet, we're going to be cooking our steak. Make sure that you layer it in a single layer. And depending on how you like your steak, then it depends on how long you're going to cook it for. Okay, after 6 minutes, my steak is how I like it. So I'm going to remove it from the skillet and get ready to put my quesadillas together. So here I already have my tortilla with some queso Oaxaca. And once it starts to melt, I'm going to add my fajita. Going to top it with the steak. I'm just going to close it and just allow that cheese to completely melt. Okay, once our cheese completely melts, we can get ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy to make. The hardest part is just waiting for the meat to marinate. But of course, if you're doing it the night before, then the next morning, they'll be perfect. So hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. And I'm going to dip it, let me grab it over here, in the vinaigrette, just like that. Seriously, the best. So good. The meat, the vegetables, everything, the vinaigrette, perfect. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how I make my super easy and delicious chipotle steak quesadillas. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Share with your friends and family, and if you request this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.